Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Holocure for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Holocure for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or Ang web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this website, since this is where we will download the game. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Holocure on this website, first, I want you to search for the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it. And then you will now be directed to the downloading page of the game. So to download Holocure here, I want you to scroll down to the bottom, and then you will now be able to see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And then the zip file for Holocure will now start downloading. This zip file will contain the actual full game that we will install later, so just wait for it to finish. And once the zip file is finished downloading, we will now proceed to the next step. So now for the next step, I want you to go to your File Explorer. And once you're on your File Explorer, next, I want you to find the zip file that you've downloaded earlier. Most of the time you can find it on the Downloads directory of your desktop. And now that you've found it, next, we will need to extract this zip file, since if we don't extract it, we won't be able to access the game inside it. So to extract the zip file, I want you to right-click the file. And then click the Extract All button. And after that, you can now extract the file, but before you click the Extract button, I want you to make sure that this button is checked or enabled, since this ensures that once the zip file is extracted, you will be directed to the extracted version of the file automatically, so you won't need to waste your time finding the extracted version once again. And once you're sure that the option is enabled, you can now click the Extract button. And then the extraction process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there you go guys, you will now be directed to the extracted version of the file, and you can now also see the game right here. But before we open the game, first, we will create a game shortcut for it so we can add the game to our desktop home screen. That way, we will be able to access it more easily in the future. So to do that, just right-click the game. And then click the Show More options. And then there you go guys, you will now see the Create Shortcut button right here. Just go and click it. And after that, the shortcut of the game will now be created, so you can now drag the shortcut to add it to your desktop home screen. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, the game will now be installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start playing it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.